000 cold open middle of action 3 months ago. Emma had no idea that AI would completely change her financial life. Screen recording. But when her portfolio hit $67,000 and then suddenly the numbers started to change, everything she thought she knew about money felt dangerously fragile. Open loop. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to lock down your money, so you're protected no matter what Wall Street, AI, or the market throws at you. 030 set up the world of 2026 personal finance. Meet Emma. She's 34. Works in tech near Austin, Texas. Decent salary, smart with her budget. She automated her monthly savings through AI-powered budgeting. Her AI app, Phoenix Planner, adjusts for payday changes, bills, even predicts market dips. Most people in 2026 have some form of AI money assistant. It's almost a status thing. How efficient is your AI? But Emma made the same mistake as millions. She nailed phase 1, saving, investing, but ignored the second foundation. The question, what could go wrong if you forget the second foundation? 200 rising action. The hidden problem. Emma's AI assistant started raising subtle red flags. First, a sudden uptick in health insurance premium. Then a burst pipe in her apartment. $2,400 out of nowhere, but she figures credit card float. Paycheck will catch up. She keeps investing even as her cash cushion creeps down. Then boom, her company announces a surprise restructuring. Her position isn't gone, but HR hints at unpaid furloughs. She has investments, but almost nothing truly liquid. What happens if a real crisis hits? Medical, job loss, cyber theft, pattern interrupt. Actually, here's where it gets interesting. 400 complications, overconfidence, AI warnings, close calls. She realizes her so-called emergency fund is scattered. $300 here, $400 there, some in a high-yield account, but not instantly available. The rest is in investments that need days to sell or are stuck in crypto wallets. She ignores the AI nudge, build a true cash mode. Days later, the worst-case scenario, a cybersecurity scare. Robinhood alerts Emma to suspicious activity. Frozen trades, withdrawal window delayed by 48 hours. She's locked out. Meanwhile, bills are due in 3 days. She could be forced into high-interest debt, selling stocks at a loss, or missing rent. If the market crashed now, she'd lose twice. Mini cliffhanger. So what's this second foundation that AI keeps warning her about? 600 climax, the turning point, the big reveal. The second foundation is true emergency liquidity, a deliberately protected, instantly accessible cash mode, separate from both investment and checking and secured against both tech and human error. It's not just a regular emergency fund. It's insured up to $250. 000 FTIC/SIPKey, no debit card access, equals no impulse spending, dual authentication required for withdrawals, AI monitored for fraud or suspicious changes. Most people skip this. But in 2026 digital first world, this moat protects against the stuff you never see coming. Hacks, AI errors, payment system outages. Open a new mystery. How much should you actually put in this moat? Is it just the old 3-6 months rule, or did AI finally change the number? 700 resolution. What happened? What we learned. Emma set up her vault. Her AI advisor recommended 2 months average expenses, optimized for risk, rent cycle, and her job volatility. That's $11,500 for her. It auto-adjusts every 90 days. Now a surprise car repair, cyber theft, market freeze. She's covered instantly without disrupting investments or taking out a loan. She also splits this fund across 2 platforms, Fidelity for core, Robinhood Secure Vault for back. Looking back, Emma says not maxing returns, not timing the market, but locking in that cash mode is what lets you stay wealthy even when everything else gets chaotic. So, if you want to build real wealth in 2026, don't just invest. Secure your second foundation with real cash liquidity, guarded by AI, insured and ready for reality. If you found this useful, hit subscribe for more real AI-powered money moves. And if you want to see how to maximize returns while sleeping, watch our next video on 5 AI investing strategies for 2026 coming up right here. Disclaimer, not financial advice. Results may vary. Research before action.